Hey guys, I don't know how many of you got one of these little incense burners to keep the bugs away from you when you're up in the mountains. Like we are. We got skeeters and all kinds of things up here. Well, you see that little bitty wick there? Well, that wick there was the original one. Well, the wax got hot and covered it all the way up. Could not get down to it. So I took a rope. It's cotton rope. That's one end of it. That's the other end of it. I made it into a horseshoe type of thing. I sprayed it with WD-40 3 days ago, didn't I? Wasn't it 3 days ago?
Yep.
And I jammed it down in there. Now, the wind keeps blowing out everything, but it burned both ends until it got down there so I could get to the other wick. But now the wind just come up and blew that one out too, and that one. But that's just a cotton rope, about a 3/8, I'd guess, jammed into your wax there. This is I don't know what it is, mosquito thing. Because no reason to throw this stuff out. I jammed that in there, and now we got one going, and it's working great. Of course, I'm sure the WD-40, that's all I had to put on it. You know, you put on what'll burn. That'll burn. Probably could have put cooking oil on it. It would have worked. Oh, there's a mosquito. Oh, it ain't working too damn good. Mosquitoes are still there. Anyway, if you got one of these and you got it hot because, you know, you don't use it all year round, sits in your RV or wherever, the wax melts and gets all over everything, don't throw it away. Just make yourself a new wick a little longer. It'll work. Save yourself $1. G RAThbun said so.